The key for the Taurians today is just simplicity. And that means that your decisions, it always starts with decisions. When we talk about simplicity, it starts with decisions. What are the decisions that I have available to me right now, in this moment? This is key. And there may be 3 or 4 different decisions in your day. Do they feel simple in the body? That's where you'll know. When a decision feels simple, let me rephrase, excuse me. When a decision is simple, it feels simple in the body. What you'll notice is that that decision doesn't take you into your head and have you think. Instead, what it does is it brings you back into the body. And so moving forward, a great practice is to gauge how a decision feels for you. No fucking content. Not, well, this feels simple because X, Y, Z. The moment you've gone, excuse the swearing, the moment you've gone into the because part, you've lost the simplicity and now you have gotten in the way and you've created complication again. It can be so much simpler than what it is if you stop interfering. And stopping interfering for you means allowing each decision, the simplicity of a decision, to be simple. You don't have to celebrate it. You don't have to tell the whole world about it. You don't have to now go create this brand new formula to go and sell to the world. Nothing. This is simple. Great. Then the next one, simple. Great. The next one, simple. Great. No content.